Welcome to ByteTantra. Today, we journey into the complex world of artificial intelligence. Do you truly understand what it means to learn? What if the greatest intelligence is not born, but built? A question that lies at the heart of machine learning. Our story begins with the raw material of the digital age, data. Look closely at the data streams. They are endless, chaotic, and seemingly without pattern. The digital universe is a vast, confusing space. To an unguided system, this ocean of information is simply meaningless. But from this chaos, a structure emerges: the neural network, the synthetic architecture of mind. It starts with a single node, a digital neuron waiting to be activated. This is the seed of artificial intelligence. The network layers itself: input, hidden layers, and finally, the output. A complex digital landscape built to process and interpret. The learning process is a journey of conflict. When the network makes a guess, it faces the truth of its mistake. The penalty for its initial failure is felt as a pulse of red energy, highlighting the severity of the error. This loss is critical. It measures the mistake and dictates the necessary changes to its internal logic. The solution lies in the core mechanism of learning: backpropagation, the invisible hand that guides the network. The error doesn't just stop at the output, it flows backward, a tide of corrective energy reversing through the network's connections. This process systematically adjusts the internal weights of every connection, ensuring the system self-corrects and optimizes its entire logical structure. After countless iterations, the moment arrives. The network is ready to truly see. The digital door swings open, not into a void, but into clarity. The recognized pattern is finally revealed. It's the breakthrough moment. The network no longer guesses, it understands. It has learned the hidden logic of the data. This is the essence of AI: complexity made simple, chaos turned into comprehension. The raw data streams converge, transforming into a pure, powerful light of knowledge. AI is merely a reflection of the world's complexity, made simple and understandable through meticulous digital learning. Thank you for watching ByteTantra.